What's good, everybody? It's Berto out here with another vlog.
What's up, player?
Let's get it. Well, I've been seeing that my budgies, when I first got my budgies video, it fucking did pretty well. I mean, I am just an upcoming channel, so I think it's like at 325 or 328. All my other videos are either in the hundreds or lower. Some just hit 200 views. But yeah, let's see how this one does. But today's vlog, it's gonna be something like that, the budgie one, but instead of a budgie, it's gonna be a cockatiel. Let's see, Smokey and Nami over here. You guys ready to meet a new friend? And you guys will have a new cage tomorrow. We're gonna be getting the divided bird cage. Yeah, of course we gotta quarantine one bird, the cockatiel that we'll be getting today, and you know, see how that goes. But we are gonna get a bigger cage that you can divide it, so then you can have, you know, a set of birds in one and then another bird in the other. So yeah, we're going to Hartford, Connecticut today to go pick up this cockatiel. I don't know if I want to tell you guys what exactly mutation it's gonna be. I want you guys to just guess. So if you guys want to comment down below, I want to hear what you guys know. I mean, of course you guys are gonna see it real soon, but before you see the cockatiel, I want you guys to guess what I'm getting. But yeah, Smokey, what you think? You ready to see a new friend? Let's get it. I'm gonna be grabbing some millet so we can take with us and go from there. But as y'all already know, guess who's gonna be joining me today to get this bird? There
Hi.
she is. Let's get it.
Havoc too.
Havoc too. Let's go. All right, we're a little late, so we gotta get going. It's like a good hour and 50-minute drive, basically 2 hours. So we gotta go now. I'm starving though, so I need to eat.
We're going to Taco Bell. We're going to Taco Bell.
Yes, we're going to Taco Bell real quick. Man, I'm trying to, you know, tell these people I eat good. I gotta be telling them.
It's for me. It's for me. It's for me.
Them tractors. Well, all right. See you guys in a sec. Shit, how long do we have?
We have 13 miles and 18 minutes. So 18 minutes left.
To get there? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh shit. Yo. My phone said we were gonna get there around 4:56.
It's 4:11.
Damn. Well, we're already in Connecticut.
Sure, I put the correct address. I did. So.
I mean, we can't show this guy's address.
But I know it's in East Harvard, Connecticut.
Yeah, a good almost 2-hour drive out here, and it didn't actually feel that long.
No.
I swear we've only been driving for just under an hour.
Yeah.
Word.
I think it's in traffic.
Well, yeah, we out here. We're not that far. Bruh. What the heck was do your little dance.
What dance?
I don't know what you call it. There you go. Hey.
You're so advanced.
Alright, well, we're almost there. Let me keep driving. I ain't trying to crash over here. Catch you guys in a second. Well, how many minutes are we?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. We out here though. Yeah, we're in East Hartford right now, turning onto the street where the owner of the bird is.
Turn right.
I'm gonna have to mute that part because we can't have the address on video. How
In a
far?
quarter mile, the destination is on your right.
Word. We're here, basically. Oh, a nice park. Whoa. Saw that, big boy?
We're going up to it.
Where?
It's 56, so right now we're in 34.
40, 42. Alright. Let me turn the
Destination is
damn.
on your right.
We just got a cockatiel, guys!
We out here though. Oh.
I have him right here.
The guy asked me, he goes, what are you gonna put him in? I'm like,
What you talking about, Will?
I thought you would have a box or something. So he just pulled that box out and he goes, yeah, you're good. Yeah, he's a Puerto Rican guy. I knew he was Puerto Rican from the way he would text me. I'm like, yep. But, alright, now we got a good hour and some change of a ride home. We're gonna let this guy out. You guys will see him when we get home. You guys heard him, right? It's right or left?
It's a left.
Alright, we out here though. Let me get home. And then you guys will be seeing more very, very, very shortly. Let me get my seatbelt on too.
So, he went to go take Havoc to the bathroom and stuff. I have him right here in the car with the bird. Oh shit, he almost came out.
Come at me, bro! Come on!
But the entire ride, he's just been trying to fly out of this tiny little box. He's so cute. It's okay. Yeah, we still have about 50 minutes to go to get to his house. Yeah, but this bird is ready to fly out. I can't wait to show it to you guys.
Hello guys, still here. We're in Connecticut still. Another 15 miles or so and we should be at the Massachusetts line. And why does this thing keep going dark? There we go. It's hot. But we out of here.
It's okay.
But be home in like 50 minutes, 45, 50 minutes?
Nah, 50 minutes.
Same thing, just 5 minutes. We'll be home in 45. You gotta beat the GPS all the time. Alright. So we just got here. Got the little guy right there. We're not gonna be putting them together yet. Why? I'm gonna have him chill right here. Open it up. Come on, we go. Oh, shit.
It's alive! Oh, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Come here. Oh, damn. There he goes.
Over here, look at Smokey's head. Who is that?
He's like, bruh.
Who is that, dude? Damn, you're huge.
Damn, dude.
Nami's already panting.
That fucking echo of his fucking voice. Well, I guess he can just chill up there for a little while.
You're goddamn right.
Get him used to the room. Shit. We need a cage.
Yeah, I know.
Kate should be here tomorrow. Oh. No, what are you doing up there?
Wow, dude.
Oh, this is gonna be interesting. He's a big ass motherfucker compared to these little guys.
Pokeball, go!
We don't have a name for you yet, but soon. Look at those wings, dude. Come here. You want some? Look. Hey. This guy, I don't know if he's fully tamed. Here you go. Look. You want some millet?
I mean, come on, man!
You recording? Yeah. I'm over here dripping. Look at that. I look like I pissed myself.
Bruh.
Hey, we out here though. What's up, man? I'm not trying to make quick movements, I know. Sorry guys, I know my room's a mess. You okay? Like I was saying, I know my room's a mess. I got some cleaning to do. But as you see, I don't give a damn right now. What's up? We gotta go to this place. Gibson's Natural Pet is a store right up the street from here, where we usually get Havoc's food. And I didn't even realize that they sell bird stuff and reptile stuff until the last time we went. So look at that guy. What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? Say what's up to YouTube. If you're really a boy, we're gonna teach you how to say Berto V Vlogs. You know that, right? What's good? What's up? How you doing? I know. I'm dripping sweat. You made me put in the work, dude. Let me see this. Slowly. Flip the thing out. Say what's up to Berto V Vlogs. We out here. Yo, he's pretty heavy.
Really? Really? Huh? Yep.
All those pictures we seen of you, man. And here you are. What's up? Say, you know. You know. Yo, this is awesome, dude. You okay? I know. I'm straight leaking over here, straight sweat. But look at this. This guy's awesome. If you poop on me, it sucks, but I gotta let it go. I know. So, finally got my cockatiel. Look at this guy. It's pretty chill. The guy told me, he's a Spanish guy, he told me he's tamed. Semi. So, I mean, he seems pretty tame. Smokey and Nami didn't even do this with us. He's a little scared. He was flying all over the place. I was worried he was gonna hurt himself or something. But he's just chilling. I don't think he likes the camera. We out here though. Let me practice with this guy a little bit. Cage won't be here till tomorrow, so gave me the chills. I know, I'm sorry. I know you're scared. I know you got a new owner now, and you don't even know who I am. You're like, who the heck is this guy with this long hair? What you think? You like your new place? I can't let you out this room until you get used to it. Oh, those nails. I still gotta figure out a name for this guy. In my ear. He's so fucking dope. What's up? Yo, his wingspan though. Yeah, take a lot of getting used to. I'm used to budgies. Not a freaking cockatiel. This thing's huge. I'm gonna be walking around just like this though. Hell yeah. Let's get it. Yo, the fact that he's still chilling on me like nothing. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Look at him. What's up? What's up? How you doing? Rubbing up on you. Yo, he just pushed up against my ear. What's up? How you doing? I'm gonna rub you with my head for a little bit, and then I'll pet you with my hand. What's up? Yeah. That's awesome. You smell like that guy's home though. I can smell, like that smell that was in there. I can so smell him. Comfortable now? Yo, these birds, it's true what they say. Yo, this is my first cockatiel I've ever owned. Fully flighted, as you guys see. He doesn't have no wings clipped. He's very affectionate. Look at this. I'm literally just rubbing up on him. And he's chilling. That little crown stand up. That's awesome. I need a name for you, man. What's up?
He's like little kisses. Oh, that's cute.
That's so dope. Step up. No? Okay, you can chill there. Yeah, we're gonna be here for a while. Until he gets used to the room. I'm just gonna let him chill right here. I'm not getting out the room because, yeah, we kind of messed up on the whole cage thing. I just didn't want the breeder to be like, hey, I already sold him, you know, he took a few days. I mean, he really flew up to you?
Very cute.
Yeah, the feathers feel weird. Hey. Got you on the perch. Hi.
Hi.
Every time we say hi, he bobs his head. You want to come up? Yeah? Watch this. I was petting him on the head. He was loving it. Look at that. Look at that. You like that, huh? That's the spot. Hey, why are you trying to bite me? What, am I hitting the wrong spot? That's why you be trying to bite me?
Damn, Nani.
That's the spot right there, huh?
You're the Matrix over there.
I need to name you, man. I know. We need to get you a name.
Damn.
Look at those wings. He was stretching not too long ago. Those wings are ridiculous. Look at that. All those pearls. Bought him some of this. Some Sensible Seed cockatiels. And I got him this rope right here for now. I plan on getting him a few more toys.
So good.
But for now, it was like $31. You know, had to get Havoc his little CBD sticks. These things are awesome for anybody that has a dog. Get them these. These are popping. Let me see. Focus. There we go. Yeah, I got Havoc that one. I got Havoc this one. Come on. There you go. And this one. They're all awesome. This is probably my favorite one. And not my favorite. I mean, I tried it. It tastes pretty good. Havoc's is this one right here. I mean, he likes them all, but this one right here is pretty good. Tangerine. Tranquility. Right? Yeah. Look at them.
Good job. You're doing so good.
There you go. Come here.
Ew, he just pooped on me.
Oh
Oh my gosh.
damn.
After I've been so nice to you, you poop on me?
Good job.
What? Then come over here.
Alright, I gotta get him a bowl for his food.
Good job. But you're so gross. You're so cute. I like this rope.
Hmm?
I like it.
Like what?
The rope. You're doing so good.
Right now he's here until the
You're eating the little bits of hair I have in my arm. Man,
right now we got him over here. I got his little cuddle bone here, his food. I'm gonna get his water plate in a second. Put that there for him. And I got a little swing over there, some millet. Oh, and a little ball that I got him. Or I got these for the budgies, but they are like terrified of these things. So he's not that. He doesn't mind it. So yeah, like I said, I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Birdo V out of here. Let's get it. And the new bird with Myra. Can't forget about Big Boy. And can't forget about Smokey and Nami over there.
We're getting the fishes.
And of course, yes, I was about to go over there. We gotta put everybody in the vlog, right? Where they at? Look at the fish. And look at this guy. He's shedding right now. Alright. I'm over here sweating because it's hot as hell. Ah, I forgot about the door.
He just
Well,
bit my eyelid.
damn. Alright, deuces. Catch you guys later.